Hello, Nigeria. This is your boy Anyi Don on Chaka. Oshe, based on the trend going on everywhere, I know everybody is waiting for me to say something. And I have to say this very, very short. For the hatred on the cockroach, the mosquito decided to vote for insecticide. Because of the hatred for the cockroach, the mosquito decided to vote for insecticide. And while the mosquito was making these plans, the fly said, after all, it's the cockroach they are talking about. It has nothing to do with me. Since it has nothing to do with me, mosquito can go ahead and do whatever thing he wants to do. After all, it's the cockroach they are talking about here. Now, insecticide came and it bit the cockroach and bite the mosquito. Even fly when no vote for insecticide, they still buy them. Now, where am I driving at? All my years here in Nigeria, since I was born in this country, I've never witnessed the level of hate that I witnessed in 2023. They just concluded the election in 2023. The hate was at another level, and this hatred was directed to my kinsmen, the Igbo tribe. And what was the reason behind that? Because the youth of this country, who felt like they are tired and they are craving for change, decided to see a good candidate who was everywhere telling everybody what he has in stock and how he's going to do that. And people bought into what he was selling, and they decided to take him as their candidate. This said man is from the Igbo extraction, and they supported this man, campaigned for him. Finally, before the election, the kinsmen of this man was made traitors. They were made a scapegoat. They were called haters, tribe of hatred. Who doesn't like our dear president? They call them Chinedus, and they ask every Chinedu to go back to their place, to their tribe, and vote. They don't have rights to vote there. They went after their own people who wanted to support this man, or who was supporting this man, and shot all of them up, threatened all of them, and all of them kept cool. Now, the election came, and there emerged our dear president, Emilokon. After that, the whole Nigeria that voted for this my kinsman went back to their lives. They picked themselves up, went back to their lives, their daily activities. They were living their life, except the kinsmen of this particular candidate. They were singled out and made a scapegoat. Their businesses were at risk. They faced a lot. Let me not say much. Big houses demolished. People in public service, no promotion. So many were retired. They were not comfortable. We were meant to feel the rot of what? Having someone come from our tribe, our kinsmen. Now, when all these things were going on, even the people that voted for these my kinsmen never said anything. Majority of them never said anything. All of them went back to their life as if nothing happened. And that's the fly that I was talking about. All of them went back. Houses were being demolished and nobody on their camera to say anything. The people that are now talking never said anything. Never even heard their voice, made a post to stop whatever thing that was going on. My kinsmen were crying, making one video, from one video to another video. The bloggers were not carrying the video. The content creators, we are not talking about it. Everybody was against them. And they were making mockery of my people, calling us haters. Now, we do not like Mr. President, that we hate Mr. President and the present government. We hate the leading party or the ruling party. And we are filled with hatred in our hearts. 1 year down the line, both the mosquito and the fly decided to go on protest, of which they called hunger protest. They made plans on going for hunger protest, and they noticed that my kinsmen, all of them sat down. They were eating, enjoying, and praising God, and singing, "On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate, on your mandate, on your mandate we shall stand." And they were like, "Why can't you join us on the hunger protest?" And my people said, "No, you people think say we really hate the president. We didn't hate the president. We actually love the president. It's just that some people feel like our brother can do a service for them. And we have to support our brother. So it's not like we hated the president." So, and for that, the president just entered. This is 1 year down the line. And any president elected in this country is given 8 years to make plans and bring it, nurture it. Because you can't plant something and expect to harvest it immediately you plant it. You got to give it time so that it can germinate, grow, and bring forth fruits, So my people decided to say no, they are not going to join any hunger protest. That in fact, they are pitching their tent with the president because they trust the president so much, and they believe that he needs time. And everything is going to come out good finally. And these people, we are not happy that we didn't join the hunger protest. And I'm asking why? Why are you not happy? Can't you give our dear president time so that his plans can come out good as he has planned it? It didn't end there. Now, 1 year before another election, these people are now trying to push a narrative to come to us to be like we are the ones pushing to replace the Mr. President from office. Mr. President is your kinsman. You are not even ashamed that your Mr. President is your kinsman, and you are now trying to come to us to push a narrative against your kinsman. We have 36 states in this country, for crying out loud. 31 states can do that. They can do that. We are not hate tribe. This tribe, the Igbos. We don't have hate. We don't have hatred for Mr. President. We support Mr. President. He has been doing well. Yes. We don't have hate for this Mr. President. According to what you people said in 2023 and what you made everybody to believe, that we are filled with hatred in our hearts. We are sticking with Mr. President, and we are saying you need to give Mr. President time. Out of 36 states, 31 states can come. If you need our brother, if you want our brother to come and become your president, you should come and beg him. And if you beg him, you should campaign for him. Make him your president. For now, we have a president that is seriously working. Are you getting it? We have a president that is seriously working. All he needs is time. Yeah? All he needs is time. Can't you see that Nigeria is good? Nigeria is moving well. Everywhere is peaceful. Can't you see America here in Nigeria? Americans even came to Nigeria. So, my people, I want to tell you, it is high time you guys stop making Igbos a scapegoat in this country. Mr. President is doing well. Very soon you will say that Igbos didn't vote for Mr. President. We are going to vote for Mr. President this time around. After all, last election we didn't vote for Mr. President and he became president. So why do you not feel that even if we don't vote for Mr. President and he's not going to become president? He's going to become president. So really, here doesn't matter. So even if we vote for Mr. President, he's still going to become president. And if you don't vote for him, he's still going to become president. So stop making Igbos look like a scapegoat. All you want to do now is finally, if Mr. President becomes Mr. President, everybody will now see us as hate tribe, Abi. Say we hate Mr. President and we hate the leading party and the current administration. Abi, see, if you bath, go that place where you bath, go collect your clothes too. Go that place where you bath, go collect your clothes. We are a peaceful tribe. All we want to do is to do our business. And again, we are asking Mr. President for a favor so that he can release our brothers who are being locked up in different cells in this country, in different prisons in this country. And no come spoil our, put sansan for our gario. Mr. President, we are begging you, please. Our brothers who have been locked up in different prisons, please, we are supporting you. Help and release our brothers. That is the only thing you can do for us. Even our senior brother, where they there. Because if you see this video, Mr. President, sir, help and release our brother. Pardon, you are our president. We believe in you. We know you know what you are doing. Anybody in this country, we don't like what Mr. President is doing, should go about it and stop fingering my people. Stop fingering Igbo. We are not hate tribe. We don't hate Mr. President. We don't hate this administration. If you can't do it yourself, you need to finger us before you do it. Then you have a full agenda against Igbo. When Igbos were treated like a scapegoat, where was your phone? Where was your camera? Where was your ring light? On your mandate, we shall stand. It's only 4 years, though. It's remaining more 4 years. Sit tight.